Welcome to day 5 of our Wake Up to Yoga challenge. Today we'll be focusing on calm and moving with the breath, using many of the poses that we've been doing all week. We're going to start sitting with your legs crossed, lengthen your spine, take a deep breath from the belly and back to the belly as you exhale. Relax the shoulders. Try and lengthen the spine as you inhale. Keep the length in your spine as you exhale, but relax the shoulders. Do this one more time. Bring your hands together. Inhale, arms come up and over your head. Exhale, draw them back to your heart. 2 more times. Inhale up, exhale back. Inhale up, exhale back. Now bringing your right hand over your left knee, other hand behind you. Take a deep breath in, lengthen and push up through the crown of your head. As you exhale, turn towards your shoulder and keep this movement. Inhale up, exhale twist. One more time. See if you can go a little deeper this time. Inhale, exhale. And rotating the other way. Inhale, lengthen, exhale, twist. Inhale, lengthen, exhale, go deeper, and one more breath. Moving all the time with your breath. And coming to the centre, we're going to bring the hands to the floor, tuck the knees under your hips, drop the belly, inhale into cow pose, exhale, arch the back, tuck the belly in. One more time, inhale and exhale. Tuck the toes under. We're going to come up on the toes. And as you exhale, draw the heels slowly towards the ground. 2 more times. Inhale up. Exhale. Heels towards the ground. 1 more time. Inhale. And exhale. This time we're going to go up on the toes. Down on the knees. Inhale into cow, exhale into cat, and sit back onto your heels, stretch the fingers out, relax the head, place your forehead on the mat. Take some deep breaths here, completely relax the upper body, but still be aware of your breathing. And on your next inhale, we're going to slowly roll up. See how slowly you can move, uncurling your spine and bringing your head up last. Coming onto your back, into a bridge, feet on the floor. Inhale, the hips up. And exhale, draw the hips down. Keep moving with the breath. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Breathing into the back of your body. Feel the whole rib cage open as you breathe in. Feel the expansion around the back of the body. And relax completely on an exhale, drawing the knees in, inhale, and exhale, pushing up, back, 2 cross legs, bringing your hands to your knees. Close your eyes for a moment. Feel that connection to your breath. Bringing your hands together. Namaste.